Guys, today I am pranking my friends with the fake Nilo voice. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna prank them with the fake Nilo, with the fake Nilo voice. You guys gonna laugh at this. Here, guys, let me hear this. Nilo, guys, how are you all? My name is Nilo. How are you all? Because guys, I know everything about everyone and everything. So guys, if you guys want to subscribe to our video, subscribe. If you subscribe to Koya. Oh my god, guys, it's perfect. That means everyone's gonna think it's gonna be. That's it, guys. I'm going so. Now, guys. I'm sure everyone's gonna laugh at this. Wait a second. I hate these people. Let me just go here to this house. It's perfect. So let me just call my friend. So guys, I called everyone, including I got Nico and Cash to join me. Including guys, you guys gonna laugh at this. Let me just turn on the Nico voice. Hello guys, how are you all? You guys better subscribe to Nilo. You should know that Nilo is the best, including Koya. Koya is the best of the best. You guys should know this, right? Cash and Nico, you guys are the best. You guys should know Koya. Koya is the biggest. He's the biggest YouTuber in the whole world. Cash and Nico, including you, my boy. How are you? Get me out. Baby Bob, I don't know you because I'm just a robot. I do not even know you, Nilo. Or maybe I should call you Nebo. Shut up, Frankenstein. I'm not Frankenstein, I'm just Robot 2.0. Shut up, you guys he made me cry. I'm still following you, Nilo. You cannot run from me. No. He's catching up. Nilo, I'm coming for you, Bibo Bob. Nilo, come back here. Oh my god. Guys, it's actually funny because I'm just Nilo. Nah, guys, the Nilo voice is cool, but I hate it. I got a fake. Let me just tell the crew, hey, my boy. Are you not Nilo? Nah, I just been pranking you. Oh, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I'm gonna kill you. Come back here. Nah, they already killed you for me. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.